It always reminds me of, what is it, Star Trek? You know, Star Trek, when it starts and you have all those stars coming straight, you know, past the Enterprise. You know, you have that first person point of view. This is a pretty heavy storm. I'm on Route 117. You don't see it as much with the low beams off, high beams off. But yeah, this is 117 in Harrison, Maine. It's coming down pretty good clip, probably 2 inches an hour, something like that. Let's see. The tough bit's gonna be getting up the hill that I have to take to get up to the house, because this is just, you know, like, I'm running snow tires, but it's not a four-wheel drive, and because of the rate of the snow falling, some of these roads here are pretty have a pretty good amount of snow on them. So we'll see. I'm coming up to a left pretty soon. But anyway, this is the commute back from work in Maine with a nice little snowstorm. Well, here's that hill I was talking about. Looks like a plow did make a pass, but depends on how far he took up the plow up the hill. Right now, what I should be doing is putting 2 hands on the steering wheel, because you can't see either way. You can't see a whole bunch. You want to kind of keep it. You want to keep a little bit of speed here. Yes, he's done 1 pass. This bit here, so maybe this is probably about maybe 3 inches of snow, and then there's 5 on the other side. All right, you're gonna have to. Oh, geez. Now I'm flooring it right now. I'm flooring it. Flooring it. Flooring it. Is that a plow up there? I got pretty aggressive snow tires, but this is a fucking long ass hill. It's very steep. Alright, I'm gonna have to hang up here because I don't know what's happening up here.